Welcome to Audi. The difference between customers and fans is true passion for a brand. Customers spend their money, fans give their hearts. Customers want performance, fans demand passion. Customers might switch brands, but fans, they stay. Fans are the central pillar of our success. We're not aiming for satisfaction, we are aiming for delight. Turning our customers into fans is our top goal at Audi. With focus, determination, and team spirit. With customer-relevant innovations, you will see that today, and breathtaking design. Consistently customer, consistently electric, consistently connected, and consistently sustainable. In short, consistently Audi. Passion for cars, that's why we're all here today. Someone who lived this passion, like few others, was Ferdinand Piëch. About 2 weeks ago, we had to say goodbye to him. But he will live on in our memories and in our brand. He has put his heart and soul into shaping technology, the cars, and with that, the mobility of the future. And we will continue to do so in his spirit. We are very grateful, owing him a lot of gratitude. Ladies and gentlemen, never before in history has mobility moved people. Our job now is to shape mobility of the future without having problems and with a clear conscience. Audi is transforming. We are changing the brand. We are recharging the Audi spirit. And Audi is becoming more open, more diverse, thinking from outside in and becoming faster and faster. You might say we are on the move. We are changing our company and the brand with more refined design, new models, more fascination. And we know change is not always easy. You might say no pain, no gain. But we are embracing change to the delight of our stakeholders, but foremost for all our customers. Since the Geneva Motor Show in March, we have launched 20 new models. New models that are as individual as our customers and their different lifestyles. I will mention a few of them. The Audi A1 City Carver, a small car with a crossover look for big cities. Our most progressive A1 since now, urban and cool. And then the new A4. When you look at it, I just don't see a facelift, I see a new top model. Great design, super efficient, just like the Q3 Sportback, the compact SUV in coupe form, extremely dynamic and sporty. Another important Q model. And our model initiative is continuing today here in Frankfurt. Our consistently Audi strategy is pointing our way to a successful future. And one thing is right at the top. At top of the list is maximum customer delight. Thinking outside in, consistently customer. We will hear more about this later from my new colleague, Hildegard Wortmann. The future is electric. And the Audi e-tron is for us, and already for a lot of delighted customers, an electrifying beginning. By 2025, we will have launched 30 electric models, 20 of them fully electric. We are setting the pace for electric mobility suitable for everyday use. For us, suitable for everyday use means traveling without having the fear of thinking about range. Finding a charging station has to be as easy as finding a fuel station. And I promise you, this will become easier and easier.